Hello students, welcome once again to my channel Maths Academy Online. So today this video is related to problem sums of probability. In my earlier video I have already stated the vocab words related to probability like experiment, what is random experiment, what are outcomes, sample space, event. So in case you are confused about any definition or any term, you can just watch that video. The link is given in description section. So now let's start with the problem based sums of probability. First of all, I am taking some examples from the chapter of probability of R.S. Agrawal. So the first example goes like this. In the throw of a coin, find the probability. In a throw of coin, find probability of getting a head. Before starting with the sum, let's discuss the formula of finding a probability. So I have earlier discussed that what are events. So here what is the event? Event is getting a head. So let E stands for this event, getting a head. In this sum, what is the event? Getting a head. Okay. So whenever we are going to start a sum of probability, we are always starting from the event word. We are just ignoring anything else and we are just starting with the event word. And what is event here? Getting a head. So now let's start further. So I have to find basically the probability of getting a head. So probability of an event is what? Probability is what? Probability is number of favorable outcomes. Favorable outcomes over total outcomes. So this is the basic formula of probability which you can apply anywhere. Okay, so this is the basic formula. So basic formula is number of favorable outcomes over total outcomes, and in the books you can see like this, N of E, okay, over N of S. So what is this? So don't get panicked. N means the number. N means the count, that you have to count. Count what? Count the favorable outcomes pertaining to your event. In short, I have to start with my sum now with sample space. So what is my sample space here? A coin is thrown. So H, T. This is my sample space. And now what is the event? How many times the event has come? The question was getting a head. So how many times head is coming? Only one time. So my N of E is 1. N of S means what? Total outcomes. So N of S means total outcomes. That means 2. Or you can directly say number of favorable outcomes. एक ही बार आया head. Total outcomes कितनी थी? 2 थी. So my answer now, probability of E becomes 1 by 2. Very simple. Okay. So this is the sum. In a throw of a coin, find the probability of getting a head. So what is the event? Event is getting a head. What is the probability of event? Number of favorable outcomes over total outcomes. So N of E over N of S. E is the count of the favorable outcomes. S is the count for the sample space. That means total outcomes. So after dividing, you can get the answer. So this is a very basic sum of the probability. Now let's move ahead to the second. Yeah, students, so here come our next sum. The next sum is in a throw of dice, find the probability of getting a multiple of 3. So event here is getting a multiple of 3, and what is the experiment? Throwing a dice. So my experiment is throwing a dice. So what will be the sample space of dice? Because obviously the experiment shows what sample space is to made. तो सैम्पल स्पेस मेरी यहाँ पे क्या आ गई? 1 2 3 4 5 6, बिकॉज मेरा सम कौन सा है? मेरा सम डाइस का है. It's a sum of dice, one dice, single dice. So 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay. So what is my NE now? NE मतलब मेरे फेवरेबल आउटकम्स क्या आएंगे? तो मेरे फेवरेबल आउटकम्स आएंगे. मेरा क्वेश्चन क्या है? मल्टीपल ऑफ 3. तो मैं सोच लेती हूँ मल्टीपल ऑफ 3 का मतलब क्या है? मीन्स द नंबर्स विच आर कमिंग ऑन द टेबल ऑफ 3. So 3 1s are 3 and 3 2s are 6. So there are only 2 numbers. That means 3 and 6. So I can mark like this also कि मेरे कौन कौन सा नंबर है, या मैं ब्रैकेट में इस तरह से लिख सकती हूँ कि मेरे कितनी आउटकम्स मेरे यहाँ पे आएंगे. ओके, सो मेरे सम के अकॉर्डिंग, इवेंट के अकॉर्डिंग आई हैव 2 आउटकम्स, so 3, 6. Okay, and what is n of s? N of s always means the total things, the total outcomes. So what is my probability of an event is n of e over n of s. That means what is my answer? 2/6. After cutting I can get 1/3. So these are the very simple sums. So this is the sum number 2 based on single events again, and how to find the probability. So here in this sum I am explaining the formula, basically how to apply the formula. So you can practice, these are very simple sums, these are the initiating topic basically, and you can go ahead with variety of sums.